Keeping your home running smoothly starts with reliable power. From lighting and cooling to safety, everything depends on it. That's why experts recommend a whole house generator to keep life uninterrupted when the power goes out.
My name is Bob Rowe. I'm with Cummins Power Generation. I'm the consumer power gen sales manager for the southern portion of the United States. Today we're taking a look at some of the reasons why a homeowner may want a home standby generator manufactured by Cummins. It's important to have a reliable source of power when you need it most, especially during a weather event where there's unexpected outage. There's a lot of different reasons why many people want a home standby generator. One, maybe because of a medical condition. You may need power during an outage to power up a medical device or medical equipment, or to keep medicine refrigerated. Another reason would be to just keep yourself cool. You also want to keep the heat going in the wintertime. So the way a home standby generator from Cummins works is when utility power is lost, the generator starts up automatically and you'll be running on the generator as if you were running on the utility. So everything will go on in your life as normal. That's what the goal of a home standby generator is to have power when you need it most. And power may be out for 5 hours, 5 days, 5 weeks. Generator will run, and when your utility is restored, then you'll be back on your utility power. When we talk to our dealers and homeowners, we find that the most important thing when deciding which home standby generator to purchase is dependability and reliability. Cummins, we've been making dependable and reliable products for over 100 years. One of the things that I like most about my job is working with our authorized dealers and homeowners and determining their needs and making sure that they have power when they need it most.
Bob is on his way to meet with David Rickey of Benchmark Electric, one of the largest dealers of Cummins home generators in the country.
Hey David, good to see you.
Hey Bob, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good. It looks like this is a pretty nice house. Did you get your Cummins installation all done?
I did. Customer decided to go with the Cummins 20 kW.
That's awesome. Do you have any idea why they chose to go with Cummins?
There's a lot of reasons people look to have a home generator put in their home. Security, convenience. It's not easy for everybody to uproot during a severe storm or an extended outage. And having a Cummins home standby generator allows life to go on.
I'm pretty sure with an extended outage, these people won't have to leave home, and that's great. And we're very lucky that a partner like Benchmark Electric, who's been a partner of ours for at least, 12 years now, was able to perform this installation.
Your products have been fantastic. You want to go take a look?
Yeah, let's take a look.
All right.
So David, this looks like a really clean installation. When you're meeting with the homeowner, what's the process like? What's the first thing you talk about?
An initial home assessment's done, and the first thing we're going to look at is customer load. What's their expectation? And then we're going to size a unit accordingly.
With Cummins, customers have choices, whether to generate power for the entire home or choose what areas or even appliances should be covered in case of an emergency.
So after they decide what unit is going to work best to meet their needs and for their home, what's the installation like? What's involved with that?
I think it's critical that you use a certified installer, someone that's familiar with the equipment, with the specific codes, and proper installation and maintenance on these products.
In the event of a power outage, what occurs? How do you know that your generator is working?
The customer actually doesn't have to do anything at all. The great thing about these products are they're going to start automatically.
And if you take care of it and you have the right generator for the right home, then it should last a very long time.
There's actually software that comes with the purchase of one of these units, and it allows dealers like myself to monitor this system remotely. It has what's called the Cummins Cloud Connect, which allows me to monitor the machine.
Yeah, that's great. And one of the most popular features that a lot of homeowners like is the mobile app and how they can monitor or see what's going on with their generator right on their phone.
Cummins builds a great product. It's extremely stable and very robust.
Cummins, protecting what matters most.